Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach sums from the chapter Numbers and Sequence topic Geometrical Progression. Exercise 2.7 sum number 9, 10, 11, 12 and example number 2.45. 9. In a GP the product of 3 consecutive terms is 27. And the sum of the product 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find the 3 terms. Given 3 consecutive terms on a GP. The product of the GP is 27. And another condition is sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find the 3 terms. Let the 3 consecutive terms be A by R, A R. Product of the terms 27, A by R, A into AR is equal to 27. A, R cancel, A into A cube is equal to 27. 3 cube. A is equal to 3. Sum of the product of 2 terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. A by R into A plus A into AR plus AR into A by R is equal to 57 by 2. A into A square by R plus A into AR, A square R plus A into R by R cancel A square. A square by R plus A square R plus A square is equal to 57 by 2. Here A square is common taken out. A square into 1 by R plus R plus 1 is equal to 57 by 2. Here R is LCM. We get 1 plus R square by R. A square into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 57 by 2. A is 3. 3 square into R square plus 1 by R is equal to 57 by 2. Both left side and right side divided by 3, we get 3 square 3. 57 is divided by 3, we get 19. 3 into R square plus 1 by R is equal to 19 by 2. Cross multiplication 2 and R. 2 in the right comes to left hand side, R in right hand side. 2 into 3, 6. R square plus 1 is equal to 19 into R, 19R. 6 R square plus 6R plus 6. 6 into R square plus 1. 6R square plus 6R plus 6 is minus 19R is equal to 0. 6R square, 6R minus 19R minus 13R plus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize this, we get 2R minus 3, 3R minus 2 is equal to 0. R is equal to 3 by 2, R is equal to 2 by 3. If A is 3, R is 3 by 2. A by R, 3 by 3 by 2, we get 2. A is 3, AR 3 into 3 by 2, we get 9 by 2. If A is 3, R is 2 by 3. A by R is equal to 3 by 2 by 3, we get 9 by 2. A is 3. AR is equal to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel, we get 2. AR is 2. That is, the 3 terms are 2, 3, 9 by 2. Example number 2.45. The present value of a machine is rupees 40,000 and its value depreciated each year by 10%. Find the estimated value of the machine in the 6th year. Given a machine is its present value of the machine is rupees 40,000. Every year it depreciates at the rate of 10%. To estimate the value of the machine in the 6th year, given value of the machine at present is rupees 40,000. Rate of depreciate is 10%. After 1 year, the value of machine is 90%. Value of machine at the end of first year 40,000 into 9 by 90 by 100. 40,000 into 90 by 100. Value of machine at the end of second year, 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square. Therefore, 40,000 into 90 by 100, 40,000 into 90 by 100 the whole square form in GP. Here A is 40,000, N is 6, R is 90 by 100. Tn is AR power n minus 1. T6 is 40,000 into 90 by 100 to the power 6 minus 1. 40,000 into 90 by 100 to the whole power 5. 40,000 into 9 by 10. 0, 0 cancel, we get 9 by 10. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. We get 23,619.60. 23,619.60. Therefore, the value of the machine in 6th year is rupees 23,619.60 paise. 10th sum. A man joined a company as assistant manager. The company gave him a starting salary of rupees 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary 5% annually. What will be his salary after 5 years? Starting salary for assistant manager in a company is rupees 60,000. Annual increment is 5%. After first year, his salary is 105%. Salary for him at the beginning of second year, 60,000 into 105 by 100. After second year is salary, that is beginning of third year, 60,000 into 105 by 100 the whole square. Therefore, 60,000 into 105 by 100, 60,000 into 105 by 100 the whole square and so on form AGP. Salary for him after 5 years, here A is 60,000, N is 6, after 5 years means 6th year. R is 105 by 100. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. T6 is equal to AR power 6 minus 1. A is 60,000 into R is 105 by 100 to the power 6 minus 1. 60,000 into 1.05 the whole power 5. We get 60,000 into 1.05 to the power 5. We get 76,576.89. Round off we get 76,577. His salary is after 5 years rupees 76,577. 11th sum. Sivamani is attending an interview for a job and the company gave 2 offers to him. The first offer A, rupees 20,000 to start is followed by guaranteed annual increase of 6% for the first 5 years. First year salary is rupees 20,000. Annual increment of 6% for the first 5 years. Salary for him after first year is 106%. Salary for him beginning of second year, 20,000 into 106 by 100. Salary for him beginning of third year, 20,000 into 106 by 100 the whole square. Therefore, 20,000 into 106 by 100, 20,000 into 106 by 100 the whole square and so on form AGP. Salary for him in the fourth year. A 20,000 or 106 by 100 N 4. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. T4 is equal to 20,000 into 106 by 100 to the power 4 minus 1. 20,000 into 106 by 100 whole power 3. 20,000 into 0 1.06 power 3. 106 divided by 100, we get 1.06. We get 23,820.32. Salary for him in 4th year. Therefore, salary for him in the 4th year, that is half A, rupees 23,820. Offer B, rupees 22,000 to start with, followed by a guaranteed annual increase of 3% for first 5 years. First year salary is rupees 22,000. Annual increment 3% for first 5 years. Salary for him after first year 103%. Salary for him beginning of second year 22,000 into 103 by 100. Salary for him beginning of third year 22,000 into 103 by 100 to the power 2. Therefore 22,000 into 100 by 3, 103 by 100, 20,000 into 103 by 100 the whole square and so on form a GP. Salary for him in the 4th year A 20,000 or 103 by 100 n 4. Tn is a r power n minus 1. T4 is equal to 22,000 into 103 by 100 4 minus 1. 22,000 into 103 by 100 1.03 to the power 3. 24 that is you get 24,039.99. Then round off you get 24,040. Therefore salary for him in the 4th year rupees 24,040. 12th sum. If A, B, C are in 3 consecutive terms of an AP, then X, Y, Z are in 3 consecutive terms of GP. Then prove that X power B minus C into Y power C minus C into Z power A minus B is equal to 1. Given A, B, C are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D. X, Y, Z are 3 consecutive terms of GP. AR square. To prove X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B is equal to 1. X power B minus C is equal to B is A plus D. A power A plus D minus C is A plus 2D. We get A power minus D. Y power C minus A. Y is AR. C is A plus 2D. A is A. We get A cancel. AR power 2D. That is A power 2D into R power 2D. Z power A minus B is equal to Z is AR square. A is A. B is A plus D. AR square. AR square. A minus plus D. We get AR square minus D. A cancel minus into plus D minus D. AR power minus D into R power minus 2D. 2 into minus D minus 2D. X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B is equal to X power B minus C is A power minus D. Y power C minus D is A power 2D into R power 2D. Z power A minus D is equal to A power minus D into R power minus 2D. A power minus D, A power minus D, we get A power minus 2D. A power 2D, A power 2D. R power 2D into R power minus 2D, R power 2D minus 2D. A power minus 2D into A power 2D, we get A power 2D minus 2D. Into R power 2D minus 2D, we get R power 0. Anything power R to power 0. A power 2D minus 2D is A power 0 into R power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B is equal to 1. Hence proved.